How to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure to download and install the MetaTrader 5 from the Google Play Store. Now, you need to simply launch MetaTrader 5 app. When you open the app for the first time, it will automatically register you for a demo account. Now, in order to open a real account on MetaTrader 5, tap on Messages at bottom right corner of the screen from the menu. Now, you need to select Register button and you will be taken to a registration page. Simply fill in your credentials on the registration form and you can simply click on Get an account to complete the process. If you already have a Google account, you can simply sign in with your Google to create your real account. And that's it. You now have a real account on MetaTrader 5. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.